Good morning, everybody. This is going to be episode 2 of Project Save Big Red. Should be a pretty big day. Today, we are going to paint the frame. Yesterday, we took the leaf springs off of it, which, by the way, if you ever take these off, put a floor jack under them. They're about 100 pounds a piece, maybe more. Took everything me and Ron had to carry them to the backyard. But we took the leaf springs off. We took the trailer hitch off the back. We removed the gas tank, which had 15 gallons of diesel still in it, so it was heavy. We pumped that out. And then we removed all of the lines and wiring harness off of this. And then we went and we scuffed it up with Scotch-Brite pad and Dawn, hot water and Dawn. And then we hosed it all off, and then we blew it all out. This area here had some grease on it, and here we got that off. So, today, we're gonna paint this thing. And as you can see, I've got some gear that I'm trying here. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me brushing the 415 on and show you guys just how good this stuff really works. It's amazing. We're not sponsored by 415 in any way, shape, or form, but we love their product, and it works great on these old cars and anything rusty, really. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. When I say 415, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's terrible. Let's do this one. You can see we have a lot of this stuff. 415, okay? We're doing gloss black. Basically, you just brush it on. Now, this stuff is incredibly nasty. As far as if it gets on your skin, it's going to be there unless you use lacquer thinner or something like that to take it off. You basically, it's just got to wear off. So there's that. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're saving Big Red. The hope here is to get this frame painted today, get that all done, and then let it sit here for, I don't know, until the beginning of February. It's about a week and a half, something like that. I've got to go to Cincinnati and babysit my brother's dog while he goes to Whistler for a ski trip. So Ron's gonna spend 10 days going all out on the body, metal repair and body work on the thing. So we should have a lot of progress there. And this hopefully will be completely dry. Well, definitely be dry and ready to go. When I get back, beginning of February, I'm gonna take that truck and I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna start tearing it apart. Bed comes off first. That'll be a whole episode, getting the bed off, the cover or the Tonka cover or whatever, tailgate, all of that off, out, put away. And then we'll start removing the doghouse, front fenders, bumper, hood, all of that. And then doors will come off, seats out of the truck, get the cab off of it, and get everything unhooked that we need to unhook there. Drain fluids, so on and so forth. And yeah, but the cool thing, when you look up under, like you can see in here, all of these suspension parts and all of that frame and everything you see will be shiny gloss black, and it should look like $1 million instead of this. So lots to do. I'm gonna get to it, but this is the beginning of episode 2 here, part 2, where we're gonna paint the frame and get it ready for assembly. Talk to you guys in a little bit.